Hello guys, welcome to Trade View. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. So I am posting post-market report and pre-market report of Bank Nifty and other stocks and Nifty 50. So based on the days, I am posting the videos. So follow me and let me know your suggestions and feedbacks in comments. Okay. So yesterday I have posted the pre-market video of Bank Nifty, correct? So I have showed like if market like it is taken retracement, then go for long, correct? But it is not taken retracement today. See, it is breaking this level and coming to take retracement from here. So we can able to short like scalping only. We can able to do like I have drawn here. Can able to see this wave? Okay, yesterday I have drawn this. So once take retracement, it will be like this way. So you can just scalp up to this region. That's it. Small scalping only we can able to do today. Okay, there is no that much breakdown or up for the trading day. So it is like a range bound here. Okay, but for the short position, we can able to do it from here. For not for this is not for beginners. Okay, because this is just a scalping only. We can able to do. That's it. Okay, and see, still market is in like this range only. It's not broken yet. This line already I drawn, right? Market can reverse. I'm showing on every videos, correct? But still, it is not broken. It is taking support and in the sideways only, right? Even I am posted in the groups Telegram. This level, like this Nifty is in strong support 17425 range, so it is not broken. So once broken only we can able to go short, correct? So until we cannot able to go short. So as same, it is respected here the support and this is sideways only. Okay. So if we are not control the emotions, we can able to lose money because here it is full of full and full stop loss hitting. See this kind of huge candles, red candles, but immediately the big green candle in a single candle hit at the stop losses here. Correct. Same thing happening here. So don't enter with the emotions. Just wait for the right setup and then enter. Okay. Market just going to close. This is the last candle, so I'm just started this video. Okay, anyway, nothing going to happen from this here. Already we know like it is a sideways only. That's what I'm posting this video. Okay, so that's it. So for short position I showed you like here only retracement only we can go for short, correct? See, it is not broken here. Once it's broken only, we can able to go for short. So there is no short opportunity and long opportunity. Only scalping can able to done like here in support and resistance, buy on dips and or sell on price. Okay, so that's post market report today for Bank Nifty. So if you anyone taken trades or any other view for you, please let me know in comments. Okay, so I can discuss about that. So here and also the morning it will be like first started with a big like a huge green candle. So everyone thought like market will going to uptrend, correct? But what I said, once retracement from here only we need to go long, correct? If people blindly entered here, they will give many premiums like prices here by hitting the stop losses here and market is coming down, still not recovered here, correct? Right. Even though it is not a, that much bearish market because it is already in that same region only, whatever in yesterday and day before day. Okay. It is not a bearish market. It is in trying to recover, but it's unable to move. Okay. Bullish is uh, trying to go for uptrend, but there is no strength. So market going down and playing in the same region. That's it. But it's trying for the recovery to go up only. Okay, as per the levels and prices. Okay, that's it. So for Monday we can I will upload a pre-market video further. Okay, so this is a post-market for Bank Nifty. Okay, further if anything, any analysis or any technical topics if you need, let me know in comments. Okay, we'll see you on next video on pre-market of Bank Nifty. Okay, thank you guys.